Tell me what you thought about when you were gone and so alone. The worst is over. You can have the best of me. We got older, but we're still young. We never grew out of this feeling that we won't give up. Hey everyone, Blaze of Blaze Guitar Lessons. I want to teach you how to play this awesome song that was requested. This takes me back to high school. I always loved this song, and some of my buddies used to sing it all the time in the car and stuff, so it's a really great song. So yeah, this is called The Best of Me by The Starting Line, and I'm going to teach you how to play the acoustic way, okay? It's very similar. I'm sure you could play it the same way on an electric guitar. You would just have to do different mutes and stuff like that, but so I'm going to show you how to play it. So thanks so much for the request. If you guys have other song requests, please let me know. More than happy to try and oblige. I typically do country and punk. I don't know if those are just the two kinds of music I really love. I also love classic rock and stuff. But anyway, so let me know if you guys have any song requests. I do like some John Mayer and different things for you. And yeah, if you also like, I thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed and hit like and commented and everything. I'd ask if you enjoy this tutorial and find it useful, please hit like and subscribe, and the notification bell so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials. All right. So let's get going on this. So standard tuning, no capo. You guys know I love that stuff. So you're going to do, here's the chords you're going to need to know for this song, okay? E, just like that, okay? E and then A. Okay, you're also going to need to do B. All right. You're also going to do C sharp minor. So if you don't know that, you're going to bar the 4th fret on the A string going down, so you're not, I'm muting the big E string, okay? So you're going to bar, and then you're going to put your ring finger on the 6th fret on the D string, and you're going to put your pinky finger on the, so the middle finger is not touching anything here. You're going to put your pinky finger on the 6th fret on the G string, okay? Just like that, okay? And you're also going to use F sharp minor. Okay, so F sharp minor is going to be barring the entire 2nd fret. Okay, and then you're going to do that power chord part of it. You're going to put your ring finger. So this one's not doing, the middle finger's not doing anything. Your ring finger is going to go on the 4th fret on the A string, and your pinky finger is going to go on the 4th fret on the D string. Okay, just like that. Okay, so those are all of the chords that you need to know for the song. Pretty easy, right? Okay, so you're going to start with E. So the beginning of the song, it starts with the chorus, all right? But it's just, so there's no lyrics at the beginning, and you can know if you listen to it, but it's tell me what you thought about when you, okay, so you do E on you. You were gone, gone is A, gone and so is B, so alone. So all right, now if you want that to make it really easy, you don't have to do an actual B. You can just do like a power chord, and then you can slide that up. Some people might say that's sloppy. I don't care. I know you guys are beginners. I'm just trying to help you learn how to play songs, okay? And they do that a lot in punk songs, okay? So, and so is B. So alone. Alone is C sharp minor, okay? Alone. And you go to A. The worst is A. Worst is over. Okay, the worst is over. C sharp minor on you. You can have the best. Okay, the best is B. Best of me. Okay, then you're gonna go to E. You're gonna start over. We got older. So older is A. Older, but we're is B. We're still young. Young is C sharp minor. Young. Okay, then you're gonna go to A. We never grew out of this feeling. Okay, feeling is C sharp minor. Feeling that we won't is B, won't give up. Okay, so at the end of give, you're going to do A, up, and then just let it ring, and then go. Okay, then you're going to play the exact same thing through again. All right, so it goes E, A, B, C sharp minor, and then you go A, C sharp minor, B, and then you repeat that. Okay, that's the chorus now and the intro. I'm going to walk you through the strumming pattern for that real quick, okay? So you're going to do, I'm going to play it slow, so you can do, tell me what you thought about when you, okay, you were gone. down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Sorry, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Let's see. I'm not sure if I'm playing the chords right here, but it's down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay, so it's down, down, up, down. So you see how I'm switching there? So it's down, down, up to A. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, down. Let's see. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, just like that. That down, down, up, down. Okay, so that's what you can do for most of it. After you play the intro through once, you're going to do then the same chord progression. You're just going to do it twice. So you're going to do that same thing. Now for the verses, their verses are very easy. Okay, so there's a couple different ways you can do it, but it's E, then A. All right, then E, A, E. Same thing. Okay, so you only use E and A for the verses until you get to like the pre-chorus. Okay, so you're going to do. So you can do a palm mute. Okay, palm mute is where you put this part of your hand as close as you can right there. Okay, on the strings though, and then you're just going to pluck the bass notes. All right, so okay, so you're going to go here we lay. So you're just doing E. Okay, and you're going to do it for a long time. Now you don't have to palm mute. You can play it. So be here we lay again. So it's just down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Here we lay again on two separate beds, writing phone lines. You hear, okay, then here is where you do A. You hear a familiar voice and pictures drawn from memories where you do E. Memories. Okay. Memories. Then you do we reflect on miscommunications and misunderstandings. And missing, okay, missing is A. Missing each other too much to vow to let go. So let is where you do E. Let go. Okay, so you can do that either down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay, I'm obviously playing it slower. I'm trying to show you, just really walk you through it. Okay, or you can do the palm mute. Here we lay again. Just down, 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 down. Okay, so what I would do is actually mix them. I would do here we lay again. This is all with E. On two separate beds, writing phone lines. And then I would do the non-palm muted way. I'll show you to do it. You hear a familiar voice and pictures drawn from memories. So when you do A, that's when I do down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, and then go back. So on E, I would do palm mute. A, I would do the strumming, but you can do it either way. Okay. Then when you get to the pre-chorus part, it's we turn our music down. So this is F sharp minor. Okay. We turn our music down. Okay. So on turn turn is F sharp minor. We turn our music down. Okay. And I do down, down, down when I'm switching, but you don't have to. And then you go to A. And we whisper, say what you think, say what you're. So on say is where you do F sharp minor. Say what you're thinking right now. Okay, now. Okay, but now I would do it now. So just doing down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, now. And mute. All right, you can do that or that, either way. Now. Tell me what you thought about when you were gone. Okay, remember you do that same thing. Then you go into the chorus just like you did the intro. Okay, so then after the chorus, you're just going to do A. down, down. Or you can just do the view. Okay, you're gonna go back into that. The next verse, same thing for the pre-chorus going again, and then the next chorus, and then the post-chorus you're just gonna do after the second verse. You're gonna do E, you're just gonna do that same thing, play it through twice, the intro part. So E, A, B, C sharp minor, A, C sharp minor, B. Then you start over with it, you do that twice. Now for the bridge, you're gonna play C sharp minor, we turn our, so turn is C sharp minor, turn our music down. Then you do this right before, A is right before and we whisper, we're sitting is C sharp minor, sitting on the ground, and we whisper, so we, and is A again, and we whisper, we turn our, so you're just gonna do single strums, and then you're gonna go to, we turn our music down, C sharp minor, and then, sitting is A, sitting on the ground. Next is C sharp minor. Next time I'm in town, we will. So you do we is A. We will kiss, girl. We will kiss, girl. It's all A. Okay. Tell me what you thought about when you were gone and so alone. That's the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions, comments, or anything like that, or song requests. I'm happy to oblige as much as I can. Thanks for watching, guys. It's been a lot of fun. I'll see you next time.